Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. Let's start the chapter number 7, and the chapter name is HTML and its advanced features. So, children, in this chapter, we will be learning about HTML, what is HTML, okay, and different types of list is used in HTML, okay, and how to create a tables using tr, td, and a table tag. Okay, so let's start the chapter. And my first topic is HTML. HTML. So HTML stands for a hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Okay, and it is used for creating to create a web pages. Okay, so here hypertext means it is refers to the hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink that an HTML page may contain. Okay, and markup language refer to the way tags are used to define the page layout and element within the page. Okay, children, and hypertext markup language means HTML. It is also known as browser language. Okay, browser, because browser can understand this language. Okay, now the next topic is HTML list. Okay, so HTML provide the different types of list, okay, to group related piece of informations together. Okay, so first one is UL list. UL means unordered list. OL stand for order list, and DL stand for a definition list. Okay, so unordered list means it is used to group a set of related items and no particular order. Okay, this means this will list item using plain bullets. Okay, order list means here we store the data in a specific manner. Okay, specific order means in the form of numbers. Okay, and definition list, as the name suggests, it is used to display a list of terms and their descriptions. Okay, so now the question is how to use this list into a HTML pages. Okay, children, so look at this structure. Okay, so this is the basic structure of a HTML. So it's in step number 1, okay, or line number 1, start from a HTML. This is the tag, HTML tag. Okay, this is the first tag. Okay, now the heading tag. Okay, heading tag. Here we give the name of the HTML page. Okay, title. Suppose that here the title is HTML order list. Okay, so body part, this is the important part. Okay, body, next tag is body tag. Okay, here we use other types of tags. Okay, UL tag, LI tag, marq tag. Okay, all the tags are used in this body tag. Okay beta, so first tag is UL tag. Okay, UL means unordered list. Okay, so we write UL. Okay, type is a circle. Type is a circle. Okay, circle means suppose that we want the list in the form of circle. In the form of circle. Okay, so we can use circle attributes. Okay, suppose that we want the list in the form of a square, so we can use square attributes. Okay, disk, circle. So these are the attributes. Okay, so UL type is equal to circle. So this is the attributes. Okay, attributes means it is the characteristics. Okay, so here we create a list. So my first item is beetroot. Okay, second is zinger, third is potatoes, radish. Okay, so these are the list. Okay, these are the list. Okay, and here we close the UL tag. Okay, now closing the body tag, and finally we close the HTML tag. Okay, So this will produce the result look like this. Okay, beetroot, ginger, potato and radish. Look at this bullets. Okay, so this is the circle. So this type of list is known as unordered list. Okay, similarly in order list we can use these attributes: numeric numbers, capital Roman number, small Roman number, capital alphabet, small alphabets. Okay, so it is similar to the unordered list. Okay, only we can change this tag. Okay, ul tag replaced to the ol tag. Okay, so here we use ol tag for a order list. Okay, look at this attributes. Okay, ol type is equal to 1 means this is the case numerical. ol type is equal to 1, this is the uppercase, I for lower, a for lowercase letter and capital A for uppercase letter. Okay, now the next tag is HTML image. Okay, so it is a very interesting tag of a HTML. So image are very important to beautiful as well as to predict make complex concept in a simple way on your web pages. Okay, so how to insert any image in your web pages? Okay, so we can use img tag. Okay, we can use img tag. So look at this syntax. Okay, img, this is the tag, src image url and close this tag. So this is the so this is the image tag. Okay, and this is the path. Okay, this is the path of a image. Okay, look at this code. Okay children, so here image src is equal to c user cv17 desktop file image mountaining.jpg. Okay, so this is the path of this image. Okay, so here we here we paste the path of the image. Okay, and we can also change the height, width, of the images. Okay, with the help of width and the height tag. Okay, so I hope you understand how to insert image in HTML. Okay, now the test link. Okay, so test links means the hyperlink allow visitor to navigate between websites by clicking on word, phrases and image. Okay, thus we can create a hyperlink using text or image available on a web page. Okay, so hyperlink means linking a document. In a simple language we can say that linking documents. Okay beta, so we can use anchor tag. Okay, this is the anchor tag. A means anchor tag. So this tag is called an anchor tag, and anything between the opening and the closing tag became part of the link. Okay, and user can click that part to reach the link between the document. Okay, look at this picture and look at this code. Okay children, so href means this is the reference. Okay, hyperlink reference. So here we use the anchor tag. Okay, and this is the path of the www.bpinindia.com. Okay, .html. So this is the any website. Okay, now when we click on this link, okay, and this page is moved on to this part. Okay, so this is the hyperlink. Okay, so for hyperlink we can use a anchor tag. Okay children, the next topic is HTML tables. So HTML tables means arrange the data in the form of rows and column. So HTML table allow arranging the data like text, image, okay, link, other tables, etc. into rows and columns. Okay, look at this picture. This is the table. Okay. So HTML tables are creating using the tag table. Okay, using the table tag. Okay, which the tr tag is used to create table row. Tr tag is used to create a table row, and td is used to create a data cells, means columns. Okay. So I hope you understand what is the tables. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.